how to save data on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you do that, click on Settings and Privacy. And here you need to scroll down to Cache and Cellular Data section. From there, click on Data Saver. And here you will be able to save data on TikTok by turning on the Data Saver option. As you can see, it tells you this will reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at lower resolution or take longer to load, and this won't be applied when you're on Wi-Fi. So keep that in mind. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use less data on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.